These amps are hot.
Like your mum.
What I mean to say is, these Fosi Audio V3 mono amps are incredible in every way. And they're hot.
That's hot.
So we've established that these awesome amplifiers run hot, not just in performance, but in temperature too. The problem is excess heat can degrade internal components over time, reducing the lifespan and performance of your gear. So what's the solution? We need to find a way to keep these amps cool. Enter the USB-powered cooling fans from Fosi Audio. These fans are an effective way to combat heat, helping to maintain performance and protect your investment. They even include this nifty little speed controller, which helps keep the fans quiet too. However, while they do the job, they're not without one quirk. They need to be turned on and off manually, and while they're not loud, they do add a faint noise, barely noticeable, but something to consider. But here's the thing. I don't want these fans running all the livelong day. They need to be controlled easily, ideally without having to get up and fiddling with switches constantly. This is where the Akera Smart Plug comes in. It's a fantastic tool that allows you to control the fans remotely, adding a layer of convenience. For instance, with a simple voice command, you can say, "Alexa, turn on the V3 mono fans." "Alexa, turn off the V3 mono fans." It's a great solution. But talking to Alexa every time can get a bit tedious. Sometimes you don't want to rely on voice commands or get interrupted in the middle of enjoying your music. So what's the solution if you want to control your fans without constantly talking to Alexa? Meet the Akera Smart Button. It's a simple wireless switch that you can place anywhere within reach, allowing you to control your fans with just the press of a button. No voice commands, no getting up, just click and you're done. Again, this could be the perfect setup, but what if we took it one step further? Manually turning on and off the fans, even with buttons and voice commands, is better, but still not fully seamless. What if you didn't have to think about it at all? This solution will blow your mind. This is the Akera temperature and humidity sensor. Through the Akera's app's automations menu, you can set it to turn on and off the smart plug when the V3 mono's temperature exceeds your set limits. For me, that's 36 degrees Celsius, and turn the amps off when the amps cool down below 34 degrees Celsius. Now, the fans work as seamlessly as the amps do, quietly turning on and off precisely when needed. This automation makes your setup truly smart.
The scope of my engineering genius literally knows no bounds.
If only modern Class D amps included features like switched power connectors, or had more substantial heat sinks or cooling fins, we might not need these fans at all. But given their compact design and low price point, these fans are an excellent way to maintain performance and longevity. There's so much more to say about these incredible Fosi Audio V3 mono amplifiers. Fosi Audio really hit it out of the park with these and their other products. If you're curious to see my full upcoming review of these amps, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out when that video drops. All the products featured in today's video are linked in the description below. Check them out and explore how you can automate your hi-fi setup and make it as smart and effortless as possible.